morning, I'm Dr. Deuk, CEO and founder of the Deuk Spine Institute here in Melbourne, Florida. And I have one of my patients who actually is not from very far away. You're one of our local patients.
Yep, Palm Bay.
Palm Bay. And you came here yesterday for surgery. You had the Deuk laser disc repair, endoscopic surgery with the laser to repair your L5S1 disc. And how are you feeling today?
100% better.
That's awesome.
100%.
So the pain that you've been living with for years in your lower back, is that still there?
5 years, I've had pain running down my legs, and as of yesterday, I don't have it anymore.
It's gone.
It's gone.
Awesome. And you've been up walking around?
Yes.
We didn't do this in the hospital. We did it outpatient. It took an hour to do. And
Yep.
you were ready to go home in 20 minutes.
Yes, I was.
You were the fastest recovery we've had. 20 minutes from the time he left the operating room and he was ready to go home. And of course, your lovely wife, who's been by your side through your back pain for all these years, was there as well. How does she feel about this?
Oh, she feels great about it. She likes it when I'm happy.
Yeah, and you haven't been happy in a while.
No, 4 years. I've had 3 surgeries that haven't failed.
And who did those other surgeries?
Local doctors here in Melbourne.
And it was a fusion you had done.
3 fusions, L1 through L5.
And they just kept going, more fusions.
Yes, more fusions.
And then of course you went to them recently and said, I'm still in pain. What should be done, and what did they say?
There wasn't much to do. It would just heal itself.
So basically they told you there's nothing they could do to fix you.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And what did we do yesterday?
We did the Deuk disc repair, and it's amazing. It's amazing. It really is.
What the right surgery will do. What are you going to do now that you're feeling better?
Well, I have to take it easy for a little while, but it's going to be nice to be able to walk around. You know, me and my wife love walking, and I just haven't been able to do any of that, so this is going to be great for both of us.
Awesome. Well, you can see here in your surgery, we were inside your disc, and you had pretty bad herniation there at L5S1. A lot of the jelly was stuck in the tear, causing back pain, and I cleaned it all out. And like I said, you went through so much. Your scar is on your back from your fusion is like 12 inches long, and you have other scars next to it where they took your bone out of your hip to do the fusion. And all that bone they took out was what was creating so much problems during the surgery that we did to get into L4-5. But I'm very happy that your pain is gone, and I think it's going to stay that way. Is there anything you want to say to your fans out there?
Come see Dr. Deuk.
All right. Very good. I appreciate it, sir. Well,
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Enjoy your life.